Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rekha Patri from Kadi Sharma Vishwavidyalaya, Gandhinagar, HVHP Institute for Postgraduate Studies and Research Kadi. Today I discuss about different terminology of drug. In this lecture, we discuss about introduction and terminology of drug. First of all, we discuss about drug. What is drug? Drug, according to WHO, any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore the physiological system or pathological state for the benefit of the receptionist. The terminology which is used in a medicinal chemistry, such like pharmacy. What is pharmacy? Pharmacy is the art, practice, or profession of preparing, preser- preserving, compounding, and dispensing medicinal drug. Now, what is pharmaceutics? Pharmaceutics is the discipline of pharmacy that deals with the process of turning a new chemical entity, that means NCE, or old drugs into a medication to be used safely and effectively by patients, which includes pharmaceutical formulations, pharmaceutical manufacturing, dispensing pharmacy, pharmaceutical technology, physical pharmacy. What is pharmacology? Pharmacology is the branch of medicine and biology which concern with the study of drug action, where a drug can be broadly defined as any man-made, natural, or endogenous, that means from within a body, molecule which exerts a biochemical and or physiological effect on the organisms. What is pharmacognosy? Pharmacognosy, which is the study of medicinal drugs derived from plant or other natural sources. Pharmaceutical chemistry, which is the study of drug design to optimize pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics and synthesis of new drug molecule. Now another questions, what is pharmacokinetics and what is pharmacodynamics? What is pharmacodynamics? Pharmacodynamics dynamic means quantitative study of drug action, and pharmacokinetics means quantitative study of drug, how we are taken up, biologically transferred, distribution in our body, metabolized, and eliminated from our body. That means pharmacokinetics in a short form ADME: absorption, distribution, metabolism, and eliminations. Now, what is pharmacogenomics? What is pharmacogenomics? Pharmacogenomics means the study of the role of genetics in drugs response. Now, what is pharmacogenetics? Pharmacogenetics means the study of inert genetic difference in drug metabolic pathway which can affect individual response to drugs both in terms of therapeutic effect as well as adverse effect. Another terminology, what is drug design? Drug design means it is the in inventive process of finding new medication based on the knowledge of biological target. Now, another questions. What is medicinal chemistry? Medicinal chemistry means the disciplines at the interaction of chemistry, especially synthetic organic chemistry and pharmacology and various other biological specialties where they are involved with design, chemical synthesis, and development for market of pharmaceutical agents or bioactive molecules. What is drug development? The process of bringing a new pharmaceutical drug. The process of bringing a new pharmaceutical drug to the market once a lead compound has been identified through the process of drug discovery. Now, what is pharmacy practice? What is pharmacy practice? That means the discipline of pharmacy, which involve developing the professional role of pharmacists. Now, what is pharmaceutical industry? Pharmaceutical industry means it develops, produce, and market drugs or pharmaceuticals for use as a medications. Regulatory agency. What is regulatory agency? Regulatory agency means agency that regulates manufacturing of medicines, enforces good manufacturing practice, which is known as a GMP, and approve important promotions, marketing, and labeling of medicines. Now, another important terminology. What is pharmacopoeia? Pharmacopoeia means book which containing direction for the identification of compound, medicines, and published by the authority of government or a medical or pharmaceutical society. Another terminology like pharmaceutical drug, which is also known as a medications, also known as a medicines, both similar. What is medications? What is medicines? Means a chemical substance which are used to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnosis a disease or to promote well-being. So, medicines are substance or combinations thereof coming in contact with the human or animal body, penetrating into the organs and tissue of the human or animal body, used for prophylaxis, diagnostics, treatment of disease, rehabilitations, as well as for maintenance, preventions, or interpretations of pregnancy, as may be derived from blood, blood plasma, human or animal organs and tissue, plants and minerals by synthesis method or using biological technology. Now, what is API? API, the full form of API is active pharmaceutical ingredients. API means the chemical molecule in a pharmaceutical product, which is also known as a medicines we buy from the chemist, that leads the product, the claimed therapeutic effect, bulk drug, and excipients. What is bulk drug? Bulk drug, which is a API in bulk, which is unpacked, and excipients means it is not non-active pharmaceutical ingredients That means medicine is equal to API plus excipients. Now, what is herbal medicinal raw materials? Herbal medicinal raw material means there are a fresh or dried plant or part thereof used for manufacturing of medicines by institutions producing medicines or for compounding of medicinal product by pharmacy institutions, veterinary pharmacy institutions, and individual entrepreneurs holding pharmaceutical licenses. What is pharmaceuticals? Pharmaceuticals means synthetic chemical used as a drug. What is biopharmaceuticals or biologic? Biopharmaceuticals means biotechnology based drug. What is dosage form? Dosage form means the physical form of the drug. It is a medicinal product. From that condition, its state with a view to the method of administrations for achievement of the optimal efficiency of the medicinal product. Formulated drug. What is formulated drug? A dosage form of drug made from API mixed with excipients, which is known as a formulated drug. Dosage forms of drug which are classified by two-way: route of drug administrations, physical form. According to route of administrations, they are classified in a various class, such like oral, topical, rectal, parenteral, vaginal, inhaled, ophthalmic, otic, nasal, and transbuccal. Now, oral. Oral, there are including tablet, capsules, pills. In a topical, which contain gel, plaster. Rectal, which is a suppository. Parenteral, which contain intravenous injections. Vaginal, which is a vaginal ring. Inhalation, nebulizers, ophthalmic eye drops. In a physical form, there are four physical forms: solid, semi-solid, liquid, and gaseous form. Now, another terminology for medicinal chemistry, like pharmaceutical substance. What is pharmaceutical substance? Pharmaceutical substance means any substance of defined quality used in the production of pharmaceutical product, but excluding packaging materials. That means this includes active pharmaceutical ingredients and pharmaceutical excipients, which is known as a pharmaceutical substance. Now, what is finished pharmaceutical product? Finished pharmaceutical products means finished dosage form of pharmaceutical products that has undergoes all stages of manufacture, including packaging in its final container and labeling. What is shelf life? Shelf life means the period of time during which a pharmaceutical product, if stored as indicated on the label, is expected to comply with the specification as determined by stability study on a number of batch of the product. The shelf life is used to establish the expiry date of each batch. Now, medicine should be general way such like the safety, efficiency, and availability. What is safety? A positive medicinal product characteristic which is based on comparative analysis of its efficiency and assessment of a risk of causing harm to human life and health. What is efficiency of medicines? Efficiency of medicines is a characteristic of the degree of positive impact expected by the medicinal product on prevention, course, or duration of the disease or condition, prevention of pregnancy, recovery of normal vital activity of human organism, and compensation of its function in parts as a result of disease. And medicines availability. Availability means providing the populations with timely medical care, the saturation of the domestic market with safe, effective, and good quality medicines. What is generic drug? According to WHO, generic drug means a pharmaceutical product usually intended to be interchangeable with an in innovator's product that is manufactured without a license from the innovator's company and marketed after the expiry date of the patent or other exclusive rights, which is known as a generic drug. Thank you.